With Connexus, we have a portfolio that enables fast and efficient cabling. Especially in applications like this robot, we already know the cable length before installation. We can therefore offer the customer pre-assembled connectors. That is the great advantage of this portfolio. And when we now want to go out into the field, like we are here, to carry out work such as equipping the robot with sensors or the final steps of the installation, we can use our push-in connectors because they enable tool-free installation right here, out in the field.